Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset your Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. Okay, so to do this we have to input both earbuds inside this charging case. And right now when you do this, you have to click and hold this button on the back of your charging case. It's located actually right here. So click and hold it with this case open for like 10 seconds until this indicator blinks quickly 3 times. So keep holding. There we go. And right now you have to release that button. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.